To draw a Christmas gingerbread house, let's start by penciling in very gently. Don't press too hard because you're going to want to erase this later, and if you press too hard that'll be difficult. Draw kind of a square shape and then a little triangle on the top, and that will give you your plan for the whole thing. Now I'm going to get my ink pen and go just slightly above the triangle and come around like that, and then we're going to want to have this kind of blobby, well, it's meant to be snow, isn't it, but it's really icing on the cake. And that can go sort of blobby like that, and then we can draw the rest of the cake around like that. And then we're also going to want to have sort of around about here, let's go down there, and we're going to have more icing sort of blobby bit there, and that's going to be the chimney coming down there. Now we're going to have a nice round window at the top, and we're going to have these quarter circle windows like that, and they're a little bit blobby on the bottom because that's where the snow is collecting and sort of building up. And then we're going to want a couple of windows here like that and another one like that, and we're going to want to do similar thing here, so a bit of sort of blobbiness there and blobbiness there. And we want this kind of, because the snow is kind of tinkling down and falling, and it's kind of resting and building up on the lower part of the window frame like that there, that kind of thing. And the last one, and the last one. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines. Now I'm going to add a little bit of shading underneath here. I'll just zip through this quickly, and I think you can also add a little bit underneath the snow on the window frames, and again I'll just zip through this very quickly. And then finally I'm just going to put a little bit of kind of texture and sort of shade onto the snow, just these tiny little marks to give a bit of feeling that the snow, or the icing as it really is, has got a bit of thickness to it. And I'm not going to add any onto the window frames because that's going to get too complicated. All you need to do now is colour it in and turn it into a Christmas card. There we are. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.